Hi, I'm Dr. Jeremy Blunt.
And I'm Deetra Peoples Blunt.
And we're excited. We've partnered with Upland Studios on a project that they've entitled Stitches, Love, Leadership, and Legacy. As part of that project, we'll be hosting a live couples conversation. It's really an experience because people think that strong marriages just happen.
They don't. No, they really don't. But go ahead.
They're actually built.
And rebuilt, and rebuilt, and built some more.
Yeah. Which is the reason why I wrote Stitches. Because I wanted couples to have a better understanding about their relationships and reveal some things about their relationship that didn't involve them fighting each other.
Right, like communication, understand each other's triggers. Those things are important in a marriage.
Yeah, because love is more than just chemistry in order to make it last.
Right.
In order for it to sustain, they have to have, is this word, what's the word I'm looking for? What's the word?
Clarity.
Oh God, yes, clarity. Because you gotta have clarity about your triggers. You gotta know what sets you off. And then you also have to know clarity about, you said it earlier, about communication, your tone. You gotta have clarity about what makes you work and what makes your partner work.
Right.
Those things are important because you have to show up in your relationship. When do they got to show up, babe?
They have to show up on March 12th for our live conversation about love, leadership, and legacy. The link will be below, so make sure you join us on March 12th.
Get the book if you hadn't. Read it together and come with some questions. We'll see you there. Bye.
Bye.